guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nakita. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel and returning back to my channel for another video, thanks for returning back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to do a smoky eye makeup look. It's been a minute that I haven't done a smoky eyes. So yes, today I would like to show you how I achieve my smoky eye. So if you would like to see that, keep on watching. And before we get into the video, make sure you click that red button down below. That's the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel and join the Nakita Nation family. Also, remember to click the notification bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so we're going to go straight in with the eyes, and today I'm using my Maybelline gel eyeliner as a base. So the reason why I'm using this today is so that the black eyeshadow that I will be using for later have something to stick to. As you guys know, a lot of eyeshadow palettes tend to have black eyeshadow in it, which are not that much pigmented, and to make sure that the black eyeshadow do not come off patchy, I will need to set my eyelids first with a black base. So I'm applying this all over my lids. And guys, please be gentle when you're doing this and very careful, because it can go wrong very fast. And you need to make sure you're working fast as well, because this tends to dry out very quickly. And don't worry if it's a bit messy, because we're going to fix that later on. Okay, so now that it's all done, I'm going to blend out the edges. And I'm using a pencil eyeshadow brush to blend out the edges. So this is going to take a while to achieve, guys, because it's drying up already and it's a bit hard to blend out. But just take your time while doing this, so you do not go too far with the gel eyeliner. Okay, so I'm happy with it like this because we're going to cover it anyway with the black eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm using this black shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm going to tap the black eyeshadow onto the base. Do you see that, guys? No patchiness. Everything is so nice and seamless. And that's all because I use a black base underneath the black eyeshadow. Okay, so now that is all done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm not going to put any eyeshadow onto the brush. I'm just going to use a clean brush and blend out the edges. And while you're blending out, guys, just lightly rotate your brush on the edges. And while you're doing that as well, you're just going to slightly bring up the shadow. And that's how you achieve a flawless blend. This is going to take a while, guys, because we're working with a black eyeshadow. So I'm going back into the palette with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it above the transition area. And the reason why I'm doing this is to further blend out the black eyeshadow, so you can have a very nice transition into the black color. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now the other eye is done and this is how it's looking. So I want to spice it up a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some blue to it. But before I add the blue, I'm going to cut my crease. And to cut my crease today, I'm using my P. Louise base, and this is in Ruma, and it's the number 02. Okay, so now that I've cut my crease, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in with this blue purple looking shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to pat that onto the area where I cut the crease. Just make sure you stay right on the area where you cut the crease. Okay, so now that I applied the blue color, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend out the edges because now it looks a bit weird. So we need to go back and blend out the edges. So I'm just going to take my fluffy blending brush to blend out those edges. Okay, so now that the eyes are almost done, I'm just gonna give that inner tear dot a bit of a pop. And the shadow that I'm using today is this shimmery shadow in the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one right here. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to apply some white eyeliner to my waterline because I have very small eyes, and whenever I use a black eyeshadow, it makes my eyes look even smaller. So the eye pencil that I'm using today is my NYX Jumbo eye pencil, and this is in the color Milk. Because now I'm going to apply some mascara, and the mascara today is my Makeup Revolution Awesome Lash Mascara. I'm going to apply it onto my upper lashes and my lower lashes. So I'm going to apply some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm completely finished with my eyes, I'm just going to move back onto my face. I'm just going to apply some contour, blush, and some highlighter. Okay, so the contour that I'm using today is my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer, and this is their Ebony bronzer. Just gonna apply a tad amount to my cheeks. So as blush today, I'm using my L'Oreal Lip Blush, like always. You know, this is my go-to blush. So I'm not going to use a lot, just a tiny tip amount just to bring that cheek forward. That's it. And next for highlighter, which is my favorite step, I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in Molten Gold. So I'm gonna line my lips with my favorite lip pencil, and this is the ColourPop lip pencil, and this is in Peach. Okay, so because the eyes are so dramatic, I'm just gonna go with a nude lip. So I'm using my Huda Beauty liquid matte, and this is in Girlfriend, and then next I'm gonna top it off with a gloss. So the gloss that I'm using today is my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Fortune Cookie. Okay guys, this is the entire look put together. So before I go in my slow-mo, let me quickly set my face. And my setting spray that I'm using today is my Infallible Fixing Mist from L'Oreal.